Home renovation and interior projects can put a serious strain on your wallet. Here are some tips to save money on your next renovation. DIY. With lots of tutorials online and on YouTube, DIY renovation work is easier than ever. Simple tasks such as painting or putting up shelves can be done on your own. By doing so, you can save a lot of money on installation and manual labor fees, which can be expensive. However, it is best to leave more specialized tasks such as plumbing, gas, and electrical to qualified professionals. Research and compare. Interior design scams are on the rise, so it's best to look up testimonials, portfolios, and reviews of interior designers so as not to be scammed out of thousands of dollars. Gather and research on price lists of renovation fees such as hacking, carpentry, and plumbing first before making an appointment with an ID. Then, plan a proper budget that will help you and your ID better understand what to expect. Avoid built-in carpentry. Opt for less custom-made built-in carpentry and install loose furnishings instead. Built-in furniture cannot be brought to another location, and you have to buy new ones when moving houses. Custom-made carpentry can also take up a huge chunk of your renovation costs because of the high cost of materials, laminates, and manual labor. If needed, you can definitely source for your own materials such as fixtures, doorknobs, and even cabinets. Cheaper alternatives. Instead of built-in carpentry, you can always hunt for cheaper furniture deals online, such as bathroom accessories, room decors, and even cheap DIY furniture. Also opt for vinyl floors over tiles and laminates instead of real wood, as they are much cheaper. Design your house with a Scandinavian or minimalist theme, as they are generally more affordable than more complex themes such as industrial or modern luxury. Lastly, you might want to use credit cards to pay for the large amount of spending, as they may offer cash rewards and rebates. We hope these tips might help you save more money on your home renovation. Thanks for watching. Brought to you by Carpenters.